on Bitcoin. Let's look at the 3-day chart on Bitcoin. 3-day chart is also overbought. Be cautious now because it is overbought. But you're breaking that resistance at 33.3, and clearly you are going to the upside. I see our next resistance really at $47,000. Of course, you have more resistance before that, but that is a major resistance up there. This is also going to be resistance right here at 42.3. That's what I'm seeing right now. That is going to be resistance up there from where it was a retest of resistance back on the 22nd of March. So that's what I'm looking at right now for Bitcoin. Really, the next major resistance is 42,235, at least on the 3-day time frame. Also, I'd be cautious that this is a rising wedge right now. So again, those break down to where they came from. That would probably be a healthy retracement, though, if you came back to retest 33,300 as support. I wouldn't be mad if that happened at all. Daily chart looks good to me as well, but that could still be a rising wedge, so I would be cautious. But daily chart, because you are so oversold now on the stock RSI, I actually think we are going to just continue slowly grinding upwards, making new highs. The 4-hour chart as well is confirming what the daily is telling me. That's like a bull flag now. If you really look at this on the 4-hour time frame, that's like a bull flag. So take it from the last high to the last local low, at least on the 4-hour time frame, and you get a major move of roughly $40,500. That could be incoming for Bitcoin. And that's just kind of what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. That's a bull flag. And if we look at the 1-hour time frame for Bitcoin as well, that looks juicy to me. So I'm looking at the 1-hour, 4-hour, and daily right now. They all look juicy. 3-day and weekly are overbought, so be cautious. But the fact that daily has reset, making it a higher low, is very bullish to me. I'm actually looking now for a continuation to the upside on Bitcoin. So if you want to be more conservative, I would say the measure move is about $40,400 on Bitcoin. We'll see what happens. I believe sometime this by the end of this year, Bitcoin will hit 40,000 or higher. And the 15-minute chart is consolidating sideways and maybe a little bit down in this pattern. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking for a possible move on the 3-day and daily on the daily chart, and the 4-hour up to $40,400. So with that being said, I'm more bullish than bearish on Bitcoin, at least longer term. Short term, I believe you're going to go slightly down and stay on this pattern. As long as Bitcoin though stays about $37,600, I'm looking for a bigger move to the upside on the daily time frame, as high as $40,400. So that's all I got for Bitcoin. If you guys enjoyed this, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video, and join the Telegram group in the description below.